The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold has just leaked, giving us our first glimpse at what could be one of the most anticipated foldable smartphones of the year. From the leaked renders, it seems like Google is sticking to a familiar formula, with a design that strongly resembles its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. While some might expect a complete overhaul, these images suggest that Google is focusing more on internal upgrades rather than making major external changes, and honestly, that might be exactly what we need. Looking at the design, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold maintains the same overall form factor as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This includes the signature triple rear camera setup arranged in a horizontal bar with the large inner display we've come to expect from Google's foldable line. The internal display is as expansive as ever, and it seems that Google isn't trying to fix something that isn't broken. In fact, they've even made a small change to the SIM card slot, which is now positioned at the top edge of the device. This minor adjustment aligns with the changes we've seen in other models of the Pixel 10 series, which suggests Google is keeping a consistent design language across their devices. But it's not just about the back. If you take a closer look at the left edge of the device, you'll notice two cutouts that can serve multiple purposes. One possibility is that these cutouts house the power button and volume rocker, or they could potentially serve as antenna placements, ensuring better signal strength. Regardless of their exact function, this small design tweak adds a layer of symmetry to the device, which is always nice to see. Now let's talk about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold for a second. Released in August 2024, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold quickly became a fan favorite for its sleek, minimalist design and its functionality. The device featured a 6.3-inch external OLED display and an 8-inch internal OLED display, both of which were praised for their color accuracy and brightness. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold was powered by the Tensor G4 chip, along with 16 GB of RAM, ensuring a smooth and powerful performance that could handle multitasking and demanding applications without a hitch. And of course, the camera system was top tier, with a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. It was a versatile and well-rounded package, setting a new standard for foldable phones. As for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, we're expecting it to follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, with many anticipating its official reveal at the Made by Google event this August. With Google's track record for delivering innovative devices, there's a lot of excitement surrounding the launch. One rumor that's generating buzz is the potential for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold to be priced lower than its predecessor, making it a more accessible option in the foldable smartphone market. This could shake up the competition, giving Samsung, Huawei, and others a run for their money. While the lack of major design changes may initially seem like a cautious approach, it could also be a sign of Google's broader strategy for 2025. It's also worth noting that Google has always been known for pushing the envelope with software, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will likely come with some exciting new features. Expect some fine-tuned AI capabilities, more seamless integration with Google services, and a clean, optimized Android experience that can make multitasking and switching between apps feel effortless on the foldable display. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.